Hello kids. Today we will learn 3-letter words. Please listen and repeat. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Car. C-A-R. Car. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Box. B-O-X. Box. Lip. L-I-P. Lip. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Zip. Z-I-P. Zip. Map. M-A-P. Map. Red. R-E-D. Red. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. rat. R A T, rat. Bug. B U Z, bug. Run. R U N, run. Pig. P I Z, pig. Leg. L E Z, leg. Arm. A R M, arm. Nut. N U T, nut. Rug. R U Z, rug. Vane. V A N, vane. Yak. Y A K, yak. Ice. I C E, ice. Gum. Z U M, gum. Z J E T, Z, nap. N A P, nap. Log. L O Z, log. Tub. T U B, tub. Fun. F U N, fun. Cap. C A P, cap. Mud. M U D, mud.